Food can be a heavy cloak, weighing you down with guilt and judgment. Each forkful feels like a burden, each choice a battleground of conflicting desires. But mindfulness becomes your gentle companion, helping you shed the heavy cloak of negativity. You learn to eat with grace, to nourish your body without judgment, and to rediscover the simple joy of a meal shared with gratitude and self-compassion. Imagine a world where food is not a battlefield but a source of nourishment, pleasure, and connection. Each mouthful becomes an opportunity for mindfulness, a chance to foster a deeper connection with your body and the nourishment it craves. In a society where dietary choices can often feel like overwhelming choices, this exploration serves as a sanctuary, a space where you can learn to navigate your nutritional journey with grace and intention. Mindfulness, the silent orchestrator of this culinary symphony, will assist you in unveiling the transformative power of eating with awareness. Subscribe to the Soul Path and join me at this mindful table, where we not only savor the flavors on our plates but also relish the profound experiences that food has to offer. Together, let's reimagine our relationship with meals, embracing each dining occasion as an opportunity to nourish not only our bodies but also our spirits. As we delve into this mindful banquet, cherishing the simple joy of shared meals, let the essence of gratitude and self-compassion infuse every morsel. And, if the resonances of mindful eating align with your own culinary journey, consider expressing your support through the Super Thanks feature. Welcome to a table where mindfulness transforms not just the way we eat but how we approach the beautiful tapestry of life, one delectable moment at a time. Forget crash diets and calorie counting. Step away from the endless scroll of food trends and fads. It's time to embark on a delicious adventure, a mindful journey where food becomes not just fuel, but a celebration of nourishment and well-being. This isn't about deprivation, it's about connection, connecting with your body, your senses, and the joy of mindful eating. Imagine a table not adorned with distractions, but bathed in the warm glow of present moment awareness. You sit, not to rush, but to savor the symphony of smells, textures, and flavors dancing on your plate. This is the sanctuary of mindful eating, a space where digestion flourishes alongside well-being. Tuning the orchestra of awareness. The first chord in this mindful symphony is self-awareness. Before the fork touches your plate, pause. Ask yourself, am I truly hungry, or am I driven by emotions or habits? Listen to your body's gentle whispers, not the blaring demands of social pressures or advertising sirens. This simple act of mindful inquiry sets the stage for conscious nourishment, choosing food not just for its taste, but for its ability to truly nourish your body and soul. Savoring the solo of every bite. Put down your phone, silence the chattering mind, and let your full attention become the maestro of your meal. Savor each bite, noticing the kaleidoscope of flavors, the symphony of textures. Chew slowly, deliberately, allowing the taste buds to fully engage in the culinary performance. This mindful dance with your food unlocks a hidden world of sensory delight, transforming mundane meals into mini masterpieces. Appreciating the harmony of gratitude. Before the final curtain falls, take a moment to express gratitude for the journey from farm to fork. Appreciate the farmers who nurtured the ingredients, the chefs who crafted the dish, and the journey it took to reach your plate. This simple act of mindful gratitude not only enriches your experience, but also fosters a deeper connection with the world around you, reminding you that every meal is a story woven from countless threads of human effort and nature's bounty. The encore. Moving with mindfulness. After the symphony concludes, honor the instrument that housed it, your body. Take a gentle walk, let the rhythm of your steps echo the rhythm of your breath. This mindful movement aids digestion, releases tension, and reminds you that your body is not just a vessel for food, but a temple to be cherished and loved. Remember, mindful eating is not a rigid rulebook, but a playful dance of awareness. There will be days when distractions waltz in, demanding attention. Days when stress drums a chaotic rhythm on your plate. But with gentle patience, practice, and self-compassion, you can learn to orchestrate your meals into symphonies of well-being. So, take a deep breath. Let the orchestra of awareness tune your senses, savor the solos of every bite, and appreciate the harmony of gratitude. Move with mindfulness, honoring your body as the temple it is. This is not just a journey to improve digestion, it's a culinary renaissance, an invitation to reconnect with the joy of food, the wisdom of your body, and the rhythm of well-being that lies within you. Inhale awareness, exhale hunger. Your mindful feast awaits. Bon appetit! There will be detours into distraction, moments when the blaring sirens of fast food call out, tempting you to abandon your picnic of awareness. But with each breath of self-compassion, each slow, savored bite, you build resilience, weaving a tapestry of mindful habits that nourish your body and soul. Embrace the occasional stumbles, the moments when you succumb to the pace of a hurried world. Let them be opportunities to learn, to refine your awareness, to return to the gentle rhythm of mindful nourishment. So, step away from the digital buffet, the endless parade of fleeting flavors. Put down your phone, silence the chatter, and open your senses to the symphony of mindful eating. Savor the solo of each bite, appreciate the harmony of gratitude, and move with the rhythm of awareness. This is not just a path to better digestion, it's a pilgrimage to rediscover the joy of food, the wisdom of your body, and the vibrant well-being that blossoms from within. Inhale nourishment, exhale self-criticism. Your mindful feast awaits. Bon appetit! And remember, the most delicious dish you can serve is the one seasoned with self-love and present moment awareness. Enjoy the journey, savor the bites, and nourish your body with every mindful breath. As we savor the final bites of this exploration of mindful eating, remember that food is not merely fuel. It's a symphony of flavors, a tapestry woven with the colors of the earth, a whispered conversation between nature and your body. Let go of the autopilot, the mindless munching, and embrace the art of conscious consumption. Tune into the orchestra of your senses. Behold the vibrant hues of your meal, a masterpiece painted on your plate. Inhale the fragrant whispers of spices, a serenade for your nose. Listen to the satisfying crackle of a crisp bite, a percussion solo in your ear. Each morsel, a delicate note, composing a symphony of mindful delight. Slow down, savor, and connect. Put down your phone, silence the digital chatter. Chew thoughtfully, each mouthful a mini meditation. Notice the textures, the dance of flavors on your tongue, the warmth coursing through your body. This is not just eating, it's a dialogue with your inner wisdom, a celebration of nourishment. Listen to your body's whispers, not societal roars. Forget the diet dictates, the calorie counting chimes. Eat when you're truly hungry, stop when you're pleasantly satisfied. Trust your body's innate wisdom, a compass guiding you towards mindful nourishment. Share this feast of knowledge, this banquet of self-care. With loved ones struggling with gut woes, with friends yearning for a healthier relationship with food. Be the beacon, the friendly chef sharing the recipe for mindful eating, for a life woven with the golden threads of well-being. If this video resonated with your taste buds, consider subscribing. Your support fuels my passion to explore the culinary corners of mindfulness, to empower others to rediscover the joy of conscious eating. And if you feel the warmth of gratitude simmering within, hit that super thanks button. It fuels the fire of this mission, allowing me to share this feast of knowledge with even more hungry souls. Until we meet again in the next video, remember, food is not just sustenance, it's a celebration of life. Savor each bite, listen to your body's wisdom, and nourish yourself with mindfulness. May your meals be vibrant, your digestion healthy, and your well-being a bountiful harvest. Until then, I bid you farewell, with a plate full of mindful wishes and a heart brimming with gratitude.